Hello, I'm Simon from B2. I would like to welcome you to this short video tutorial. Today we would like to show you how to set up a PD measurement with our HVA68TD and the PDTD68. Before you start with the setup, make sure that you comply with the safety regulations in force in your country and that you have familiarized yourself with the operations instructions of the devices and the B2 safety guides.
Also become familiar with your measuring environment and observe the following basic steps. Switch out the device under test. Secure against re-energizing. Discharge and prove dead. Ground and short circuit. Cover and close of nearby live parts. Now we start with our measurement setup. Please ground the far end of the untested phases and follow the same rules for the tested phase as for the near end, like the use of corona shields and the distance between different potentials. The far end connections are not included in this video. In step 1 we connect all earth cables. The DUT, in this case L2 is our tested DUT, we short circuit L1 and L3. The HVA unit, the PDTD unit. The connection should be as short as possible and at the same point. In step 2 we connect the HV cables between the HVA and the PDTD unit. We recommend using the PD impedance between the PDTD unit and the DUT. The connection should be as short as possible. For voltages above 15 kV we recommend the use of corona shields. We use the MZ socket, the spacer and the corona shield for the connection to the DUT. Now we connect the power supply in step 3. For the HVA, always check the battery status of the PDTD unit before you perform a measurement or keep the device connected to mains or a power bank. In step 4 we connect the communication ports between the PC and the PDTD via USB-C to fiber optics cable and between PC and HVA via Bluetooth. With older HVA devices we would need to connect via optoconverter. During step 5 check all connections to ensure they are all securely attached. In the final step we switch on all units. Turn the PDTD main switch to on. Turn HVA main switch to on. Turn HYA key switch to on. The measurement setup is now completed. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.